Wow, wow, wow. The Lamborghini Huracán STJ. Yes, folks, this is the last dance. And what a dance it is. Wow, this is just phenomenal, folks. Phenomenal all the way. Automobile Lamborghini celebrates the iconic V10 super sports car with a limited edition of 10 units, equipped with an exclusive performance enhancement package. And did we say limited edition 10 units? Wow. I'm sure by now these are all spoken for. But yes, Automobile Lamborghini presents the Huracán STJ. 10 units, last celebration of the super sports car, equipped with the V10 engine, an engineering icon of the Santa Agata Bolognese car maker. This naturally aspirated V10 engine, the symbol of Lamborghini history, contributing to the success of the Huracan family, first presented back in 2014, which by the end of the year is going to be replaced by an all-new super sports car, equipped with a hybrid powertrain. And that's going to be something else, folks. Something else to the core. The naturally aspirated V10 engine is that symbol of Lamborghini that's about to change. Now, with the design based upon the Huracan STO, the STJ represents the pinnacle of performance achieved in the Huracan family history, thanks to the introduction of exclusive package design to further enhance the racing spirit of the Huracan STO. The STJ stands for Super Trofeo Jota. Super Trofeo pays tribute to the Lamborghini one-make championship established in 2009, while Jota refers to the Appendix J of the FIA regulations that sets the racing car specifications and to long tradition of the Lamborghini model developed for the track, starting from Mira SVJ and continuing with the Aventador SVJ. The Huracan STJ stands out, yes. It's a dedicated aerodynamic package developed by Lamborghini Squadra Corso technicians. And yes, does it look awesome, folks? Man, what a vehicle. Like the STO, the Huracan STJ, the maximum power of 640 CV at 8,000 RPMs and a torque of 565 nanometers at 800 RPMs, controlled by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Yes, combined with the rear-wheel drive only. Now, the mechanical grip is something else. It's increased significantly by a set of adjustable racing-derived shock absorbers, which replace the standard active components. Now, the shock absorbers are 4-way adjustable, optimize the rebound and compression at both high and low frequencies, giving total freedom of choice. And it's set based on the track characteristics. Now, special characteristics of shock absorbers allow lower spring stiffness to be used while maintaining optimal dynamic control of the car and increasing steering precision. Now, can you imagine this? Now, to maximize the driving dynamics, they use the Bridgestone Potenza race tires, developed specifically and made for high grip. Yes, talking about 20 inches on this baby. And this is something else. Now, these technical features enable an improvement of more than 1 second on the Nardo Technical Center handling track. Now, the lap time compared to the Huracan STO. The sporty character and exclusivity of this baby is reflected in the aesthetics. And boy, man, this is something special. Now, the second configuration of the blue Elliott bodywork with the Nero Noctis black roof and the Russell Mars red and the Bianco icy white details. I mean, look at the front. I mean, this is something else. The white details is something else. This is a phenomenal vehicle. Both version features a special numbered carbon fiber plate, marked 1 of 10. Now, in addition, this is an option to add a custom plate passenger side according to the customer instructions. And man, there's only going to be 10 lucky people to get this vehicle. Yes. You guys, this is the last dance. The Lamborghini Huracán STJ. Like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic day. And thanks for coming by. This is something else, folks. Something else to the core. Something else for Lamborghini. Something else for the future of sports cars before they turn into something hybrid, which is still phenomenal. Thanks for coming by. Like, share, and subscribe.